This is Europa, a moon of Jupiter, slightly smaller than our own. It looks dead. It isn't. Beneath that shell of ice lies a saltwater ocean, holding twice as much water as every ocean on Earth combined. It is down there right now, and it may be the most likely place in the solar system to find alien life. Stand on that ice, and Jupiter hangs enormous in a black sky. The sun is only the brightest star here, its light 25 times weaker than home. The temperature never climbs past -160 degrees. The radiation would kill you in about a day. By every rule we know, this world should be frozen solid and silent. It is not silent. Cracks longer than continents scar the shell. The ice is flexing, groaning, breaking. Something enormous is moving beneath your feet. In the year 2000, a spacecraft called Galileo flew past and caught Europa doing something strange. The moon was answering Jupiter's magnetic field. An echo like that can only come from a deep layer of salty conducting liquid. An ocean replying. What keeps it liquid is Jupiter itself. Europa's neighbor moons stretch its orbit, so every 3.5 days it swings closer to the planet, then farther away. Jupiter's gravity kneads the moon like dough. Friction becomes heat. And if the ocean is real, this ice rises and falls 30 meters with every lap. A tide with no shore. The ocean was supposed to be sealed under that shell forever. Then we took a closer look at its scars. The long, rust-red scars are stained with salt. Table salt, the same compound as Earth's seas, frozen into the broken ground. In 2023, the Webb telescope found carbon in that same terrain. It came from below. The ice is not a lid, it is a conveyor, slowly hauling the ocean's chemistry up into the light. And that sea may rest directly on rock. On Earth's seafloor, where water meets hot rock, vents bloom with living things that have never seen the sun. Maybe Europa's floor does the same. Maybe. A study published this January argues Europa's seafloor may be still. No quakes, no active faults. The honest answer is that nobody knows. So imagine going down to sea, then fall. Through a crevasse glowing blue with the last of the daylight. Through 15 kilometers of ice, into a sea that sunlight has never touched. If there are vents glowing on that floor, it might look like this. No machine we have can make this dive, so NASA is not going to try. Europa may meet us halfway. Since 2013, telescopes have glimpsed what look like geysers venting ocean water into space. Seen a handful of times, never on demand. They might not even be real. NASA has bet about $5 billion that they are. Europaclipper launched in October 2024. It is flying right now. This December, it swings past Earth one last time. It reaches Jupiter in 2030, and then begins 49 passes over the ice, some low enough to fly straight through a plume and taste it. NASA is careful with its words. This mission cannot detect life. Only whether life is possible. The answer is already crossing the solar system. All we can do now is wait. And Europa is not the only moon hiding a sea. On the next one, it rains.